Good evening, children. It's standard science. Today's topic is organ system in animals. Yes, there are different organ systems are in our body. Yes, organ systems appeared in that contains from the beginning of platmerids continues to mammals. That is the group of cells formed to tissue like muscular tissue, nervous tissue, like that. Okay. So tissues are organized forms of heart, brain, and then lungs like that. Okay. From the beginning means beginning organ is cell and then tissue and organ and finally organ system. These are all. This is the basic formula. First, the initial stage of that organ system is cell. Next stage is group of cell is formed to tissues, and tissues are together to form organ. Different organs are to form the organ systems. So, what are the organ systems are present in our body? Is there any idea, students? What are the organ systems? Yes, skeletal, muscular, nervous, circulatory, respiratory, digestive, excretory, and reproductive, and then sensory systems. So these are all the different kinds of organ systems. Okay, now I'm going to explain first what are the systems and what are the organs to form to that related the system, and then functions. After that, we are going to enter the digestive system. Today's topic is digestive system. Before that, I'm going to explain what are the systems are present in our body. First one is integumentary, that is skin and skin glands. First one is the integumentary system, that is skin and skin glands. Main cover of our body. Okay, skin and skin glands. The functions of that our system is protection and then excretion. What are the function? Protection and excretion. Protection means the skin is protect our body. Excretion means the sweating is the excretory part. Okay, sweat. And next one is muscular system. Sorry, skeletal system. Skeletal system organs are skull and then sternum and then limbs. Skull, vertebral column, sternum and then limbs. Main part only I am writing. What are the functions of the skeletal system is give support to our body, give particular shape and form of our body. Yes, support and shape. Skeletal system gives the support to our body and then shape. It gives some different kinds of shape for each and every human. And next one is muscular system. Muscular system are muscular fibers. Yes, the organ is muscular fiber and then function. Function of the muscular system, contraction and the relaxation. Contraction and relaxation. Yes, what are the system? Yes, there are different kinds of systems in our body. One is integumentary, skeletal, muscular, skin and skin glands of the organs of that integumentary system. Function of this system is protection and excretion. Skeletal system, skull, sternum and limbs, supporting of our body and give the particular shape of our body. And then muscular system means organs of muscular systems are muscular fibers. Functions of muscular system is contraction and relaxation. And next one more, another important system is nervous system. Next system is nervous system. Nervous system. What are the organs in nervous system? Brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Brain, spinal cord, and nerves. These are all the organs are together to form nervous system. Brain is the important part of nervous system, and then spinal cord, that is backbone, that is important part of nervous system, and nerves also together. What are the functions of nervous system is conduction of nerve impulse. Conduction of nerve impulse. Yes, they conduct each and every movement. Each and every nerves conduct all the kinds of activities to our brain. And next one is circulatory system. Another important system is circulatory system. Yes, what are the organs are in circulatory system? Heart, blood and blood vessels. Yes, heart, blood and blood vessel. So these are all the organs for circulatory system. Yes, the blood is pumped in heart, and heart supply all the supply to blood circulations are goes into the help of circulatory system to all our body. Okay, circulatory system, what are the functions? Means transportation and the respiration of gases and then substances and waste products. This is the main function of heart. Main function means transportation of respiratory gases and then nutritive substances also, and the waste products. Transportation of respiratory gases. And next one is respiratory system. Another system is respiratory system, means respiratory tract and then lungs. Respiratory tract and lungs. These two organs are involved in respiratory systems. What are the main function is breathing, inhalation and then exhalation of air. So that is the main function of respiratory system. And next one is, yes, digestive system. Yes, digestive system, what are the organ? Means digestive tract and then digestive glands. Digestive tract and then digestive glands are the organs are present in digestive system. What are the functions of digestive system is digestion, absorption and then digestion. Digestion, absorption and digestion. So these are all the functions of digestive system. And next one is excretory system. Excretory system. Yes. What are the organs? Kidneys, ureters, and then urinary bladder. Kidney and then ureters are the organs of excretory system. Yes, what are the main functions? Means elimination of nitrogenous waste products. Elimination of nitrogenous waste products. Yes, these products are eliminated with the help of kidneys. Okay, that process is called as excretory system. And next one is a reproductive system. Reproductive system is testes and ovaries. Testes and ovary, yes, germinate the formation of development of that sexual characters. That is the functions of the reproductive systems. Gamete formation. So these are all the main systems in our body. And one more system is sensory system. Sensory system means that is sensory organ. What are the sensory organs? Eyes, nose, ear, tongue, and skin. So these are all the 5 sensory organs. Sensory organs. What are the functions? Means sight, eyesight, and nose is help to smell that material and hear that words with the help of ear, and we are tasting different kinds of materials with the help of tongue, and then touching, feeling, able to understand skin. Okay, so this is the main function of sensory system. Sensory system. What are the sensory organ? Eyes, nose, ear, tongue, and skin. Functions means sight, smell, hearing, taste, and touch. And then endocrine system means that is different kinds of glands are present. That is pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pancreas. So these glands are coordinate the functions of all organ system. That is the main functions of the different kinds of glands cooperate different kinds of systems. Okay, so today's topic is digestive. Yes, now we are going to learn the detailed uh, contents about what is digestive system, what are the organs are involved in that system, what is done in that places. Okay. Digestive system. Yes. Yes, we are eating each and every day different kinds of food for our health and energy. I said we need energy for each and every work. So we are taking different kinds of food materials. They contains protein, carbohydrate, minerals, vitamins like that. So we want to eat different kinds of materials. They are contain not only the simple substance, that is vitamin, minerals, in complex substance also present in that. That is carbohydrate and then proteins and fats. So the body cannot use these complex substances. Compulsorily, they want to convert into simple substances. We are taking different kinds of food. So it contains complex substances. What are the complex substances? Carbohydrate, mineral, and vitamins. So these are all the complex substances. So our body convert the complex substances into simple substances. complex substances is converted into simple substance. How it is possible? Yes, in the 5 stages processes going in our body, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. These are all the 5 stages of the nutrition process. What is the nutrition process means? The complex substances is converted into simple substances in the process of nutrition. Nutrition process. What are they? First one is ingestion. And then second one is digestion. And third process is called as absorption. And fourth one is assimilation. And fifth process is egestion. So these are all the 5 processes of nutrition. Okay, what is nutrition process means? The different kinds of complex food are converted, changed into simple substances in the way of these process. So the process of nutrition begin with the intake, that is called as ingestion. Ingestion means nothing but intake of food. Intake of food is otherwise called as ingestion. So the breakdown of complex insoluble food molecules into small, simpler soluble particles by the action of digestive enzyme. Yes, digestive enzyme is secreted in our mouth parts itself, that is saliva. Its help to break down the food items. Okay, first concept is ingestion. Ingestion means that is intake of food material. So, intake of food material is called as ingestion. So, the breakdown of complex food materials. Food materials are breakdown. How it is breakdown? With the help of enzyme. Yes, with the help of the enzyme. So that process is called as digestion. That is breakdown of large, complex and insoluble food materials. Yes, we are taking different kinds of materials, fruits and then vegetables, rice and then non-veg. So these are all insoluble materials, different kinds of foods we are taking. So that food molecules into small and simpler soluble particles in the action of the help of digestive enzyme. So that is called digestion. Okay, so parts of the body concerned with the digestion form of in digestive system. So the digestive consists in 2 different kinds of organs. That is, one is alimentary canal and then another one is digestive glands. So digestive system consists of 2 sets of organs. One is alimentary canal. Yes, that is digestive tract and then gastrointestinal tract. It is the passage of starting from mouth to ending with anus. Mouth to anus. So, alimentary canal path, that is starting from mouth, ending part. This is starting part. Ending part is anus. Alimentary canal passage. Next one is digestive gland. Next stage is digestive gland. The gland are associated with the alimentary canal or salivary, gastric, pancreas, liver, and then intestinal. So these are all associated with that digestive glands. That is salivary, gastric, and then pancreas and intestinal. That is large intestinal and then small intestinals. There are two kinds of intestines present in our body. So these are all the digestive glands. These glands are also help for the digestion process. Okay. So the digestive systems are consistent to two set of organs. That is, one is alimentary canal, another one is digestive gland. Alimentary canal means the starting part mouth to the ending part is anus part. In this passage, that process is done in that way. Next one is digestive gland. That is, different kinds of glands are associated, help to do that process of digestion. That is digestive gland. Salivary, gastric, pancreas, intestinal. Salivary gland is present in our mouth part. Yes, the salivary gland secrete the saliva. It is also help to break down the particle and then simplify the complex substances. And that same way, gastric juice are secreted. Pancreas create the glands, pancreas juice. Intestinal gland also secrete that juices. These juices also help for the digestion process. Okay. First, what is the structure of alimentary canal? Alimentary canal means mouth, teeth, and salivary glands. These are all the parts of the alimentary canal. Yes, alimentary canal means that is muscular coil tubular structure. It contains mouth and buccal cavity and then pharynx, stomach, small intestine, large intestines, all the parts are present in that alimentary canal. Okay. Stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. And last one is anus. So the alimentary canal consist of mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, and then stomach and small intestine, large intestine, anus part. Okay, first one is mouth part. See this picture? Yes. Yes, this is mouth part. And then salivary gland. Salivary glands are present in this part, this place. Esophagus means the long tubular structure is called as esophagus. This is liver. This is gallbladder. In this place is gallbladder. This is stomach part and pancreas. The small part is called as pancreas. The large tube is known as large intestine. In the center part, this tubular structure is called as small intestine. Rectum part, this is anum. Last one is anus. Appendix part is this. Okay. Liver and then gallbladder. So these are all the organs or consist of digestive system. Mouth, salivary glands, esophagus, and then stomach part, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, large intestine, and then small intestine, and then anus part. So these are all the parts consist of digestive system. Yes, first one is mouth. Yes, mouth leads to the buccal cavity. First one is mouth part. Yes, it is bound by the two soft movable upper and then lower lips. Upper and then lower lips. That is Buccal cavity is the large space above that plate that is below the throat and insides by the jaws. So the jaws are bear the teeth. Okay. Next one is teeth. So teeth is the very important part to help the digestion. So the food materials are break down with the help of teeth only. So it is an hot structure. Teeth are the hot structures. So what is that? Action of teeth means holding, cutting, grinding, crushing of the food. So the hard structures mean for in what purpose? They hold the food, they cut the food, and then they grind each and every material, and then crushing action also done in that places. Holding, cutting, grinding, and crushing of the food with the help of teeth. In human beings are two set of teeth that is developed in our lifetime. The first is appearing for 20 teeth. First teeth means 20 teeth, that is temporary or milk teeth. Milk teeth means only 20 numbers. And then after that, the second set of that party, that is permanent teeth, is each jaw contains 16. So each tooth has a root fitted gum. So permanent teeth are 4 types. Four types of teeth. 4 types of teeth and permanent teeth, that is each jaw contains 16 numbers. Upper jaw and lower jaw has 16 numbers. What are the 4 types? One is incisor, canine, and then premolar. Another one is molar. So these are all the 4 types of teeth. What are they? Incisor, canine, premolar, and then molar. Okay. So incisor means number of teeth is 8. Canine 4. And premolar means 8 numbers, and then molar 12 numbers. Okay. So total number of teeth are 32. So what are the functions of that each and every one? Yes, incisor function is cutting and biting. Cutting. Incisor teeth are used to cut the food. And then canine means tearing. Tearing that material. And then premolar used to crushing. And then molars are crushing, grinding, and then mastication. Crushing and grinding. These two works are the help of molar teeth are doing these works, that is crushing and grinding work. Incisors are help to cut the food. Canine teeth are help to tear the food, and premolar is help to crush the food. So these are all the 4 types of teeth. So one more important topic, that is Tyndall formula. Number of different types of teeth present in our body, that is incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. So each half, that is upper jaw and lower jaw. The types of teeth are denoted incisor, canine, premolar, molar, and then M. So the letters incisor means I, canine means C, PM means premolar, molar means M. So the milk teeth in each half, upper and lower jaw. First, milk teeth means only 20 numbers, is it? So, Tyndall formula. Yes, this milk teeth 2, 1, 2, and then 2, 1, so that is 10 into 20. Yes, only 20 numbers, milk teeth. So second one is permanent teeth. That is the second teeth. Permanent teeth means 2, 1, 2, 3. So this is the formula. 16 into 32. So permanent teeth. So permanent teeth, each of upper and lower jaw contains incisor and then canine, premolar and molar. So each and every one in that numbers formation only. So this is known as dental formula. This is for milk teeth. This is for permanent teeth formula, dental formula. Okay. Next one is glands. That is salivary glands. Salivary glands means salivary glands are that pairs of salivary are present in our mouth cavity. There are parotoid and then sublingual glands and then submaxillary glands. These three are salivary glands. Next topic is salivary glands. Salivary glands means there are three pairs. Three pairs of salivary glands are present in our mouth part. That is parotid gland and then sublingual glands and then submaxillary gland. Yes. KGBV center student. Yes, ask your question. What is the doubt? Just type your question. What is the clarification? Yes, I will explain. Parotid glands are the largest salivary gland. This is the largest salivary gland in our part. My voice is not clear. Is it okay? Am I audible? In digestive system, the three pairs of salivary glands are present in our mouth part. They are parotid, sublingual, and then submaxillary. Parotid is the largest salivary gland. Okay. And next one is sublingual glands, means the smallest part. Smallest salivary gland, and then submaxillary means in that line, that angles of lower jaw part, that is submaxillary. Salivary glands are present in that part. So what is the uses? What secrete that salivary gland means? Salivary gland secrete viscous fluid called saliva. Yes, the fluid name is saliva. Salivary gland secrete the saliva. It secretes saliva, that is 1.5 liters per day. Per day, our salivary glands are secrete 1.5 liter saliva in our body. What is the functions of that saliva means? Digest that starts by the action of the enzyme, that is amylase. The functions of saliva means it digests the starch. It digests the starch by the action of enzyme, that is amylase. So, which converts the starch into maltose. Saliva also contains the antibacterial enzyme, that is lysozyme. So, next one is another part is tongue. Tongue is the muscular sensory organ. Tongue is the sensory organ of this part. Tongue is the sensory organ which helps to mixing the food with the saliva. Tongue help to mix the food material. The food are mixed in that part. So the taste buds on the tongue help to recognize the taste food. What is the function of taste food means? Sorry, taste buds. Taste identification. Taste identification process is done in the help of taste buds. The taste buds on the tongue help to recognize what taste of food we are taking. So the masticated food, that is buccal cavity, becomes a bolus. Roll the tongue and pass through the pharynx to esophagus. During the swallowing action, the epiglottis closes or prevents the food from entering the trachea pipe. Okay. So this is the function of tongue. What does the function means? Tongue is the muscular and sensory organ. It helps to mix the food. The taste buds are helps to taste identification of the material. Next one is pharynx. Second, another part is pharynx. The pharynx is a membrane-like cavity behind nose to mouth. Nose and mouth part. So the pharynx is the membrane of the cavity behind the connecting them to esophagus. What is the function means? So the pathway for the movement of food mouth to esophagus. Movement of food from mouth to esophagus part. Okay. What is the function means? Pharynx means behind nose and mouth. Movement of food from mouth to esophagus. Okay. So next one, what is esophagus? Esophagus means the food pipe, muscular membrane. Esophagus means the long tube. So the food pipe, muscular membranes canal around 22 centimeter length, esophagus length. Function of esophagus means 22 centimeter length esophagus. So that is food pipe. What is the function of that food pipe means? It conducts the food from pharynx to stomach. It conducts the food pharynx to stomach part. That is the main function of esophagus. Okay. So the contraction and the relaxation of muscular bonds on the alimentary canal. Esophagus means it produces the rhythmic contraction and the relaxation of muscular part in our alimentary canal also. Next one is the stomach part. Yes, the stomach is the white J-shaped muscular organ. Important part is yes, stomach. Stomach is the J-shaped part. J-shaped muscular organ. Shape is J, and it is located between the esophagus and the small intestines. The gastric glands are present in the inner wall. So, gastric glands are present in the inner wall of the stomach part. So, it secretes the gastric juice. Whereas gastric juices are secreted, yes, the gastric juice are secreted in stomach part only. So the gastric juice is colorless, highly acidic, containing the mucus and then hydrochloric acid and the enzymes. Okay, so gastric juice is the colorless and then highly acidic. Its nature is acidic nature and then hydrochloric acid also present. Hydrochloric acid also present in the gastric juice. So the inactive pepsin converted into active pepsin accept the indigested food. The hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria. What is the function of hydrochloric acid? Means it kills bacteria. Yes, we are swallowing the food, different kinds of food materials we are taking. We don't know how it is hygienic or not. So some bacteria and viruses also swallow each and every minute. So that kind of bacteria are kills with the help of hydrochloric acid. So the bacteria, hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria. Swallow along the food makes the medium of acidic nature. The action of the gastric juices churning the food and stomach convert to the semi-digested food that is called chyme. Yes, chyme means that is gastric juice are churning the food into stomach converted into semi-digestion of food. Semi-digestion of food is known as chyme. Okay. So the chyme moves to intestine slowly through the pylorus. So next part is small intestine. Small intestine is the longest part. So which is the longest part in that digestive system means that is small intestine. Small intestine is the largest part in the digestive system. So it is a long coil tube ring, 5 to 7 meter. 5 to 7 meters. So it comprises of 3 parts, that is duodenum and then jejunum and then ileum. Small intestines are consist 3 parts, that is duodenum. That is the first part. Duodenum means this C-shaped receives bile duct and then pancreatic duct. Duodenum is in C-shaped part. C-shaped part is the duodenum part. It receives the bile duct and then pancreatic duct. Pancreatic duct. Okay. So from pancreas, so it receives what is bile duct from the liver, pancreatic duct from the pancreas. Okay, bile duct from liver. Liver gives a bile duct. Pancreas gives the pancreatic duct. Okay. So next one is jejunum. Jejunum is the middle part of that small intestine. The first part is duodenum. Another part is jejunum. It is the middle part of that small intestine. It is the short portion only. The secretion of small intestine in the intestinal juice contains sucrase, maltase, lactase, and then lipase. The main part is jejunum, means jejunum part is the middle part and then small portion only. Middle part of the small intestine, short region in that small intestine. What is the secretion of the small intestine is, what are they? Sucrase, maltase, and then lactase, and then lipase. So these enzymes are secreted in small intestines. What are the enzymes are secreted in small intestine means sucrase, maltase, lactase, and lipase enzymes are secreted in jejunum, that is small intestine part. And third one is ileum. Ileum is the lower part of the small intestine. Ileum is the lower part. So it opens to the large intestines, longest part of the small intestine. Ileum is the longest part of small intestine. It contains the finger-like projection that is called villi. Finger-like projection, that is 1 millimeter length only. It absorbs the food, takes place. There are approximately 4 million numbers of villis are present here. 4 million numbers of villis, that is finger-like projections, are present in ileum part. Internally, each villus contains the fine blood capsule, that is lateral tubes. So the small intestine serve both for digestion and absorption. What are the main functions of the small intestine means digestion and then absorption. So it receives the bile from the liver and then pancreatic juice from pancreas. So the intestinal glands are secreted in intestinal juices also. So this is these are all the details about the small intestine. Small intestine is the longest part of the alimentary canal. This 5 to 7 meter. It consists of 3 parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum part. Duodenum is the C-shaped part. It receives the bile duct and then pancreatic duct. Second one is jejunum, middle part, small portion, secretes different kinds of the enzymes like sucrase, maltase, lactase, and lipase. Ileum is the lower part of intestines, large intestines. It is the longest part, contains villi, that is a small finger-like projection part. Nearly 4 million numbers of villas are present in that area, contains the blood capillaries. Okay, the small intestines are main function is digestion and then absorption process. Okay, and next one is liver part. So liver and then and next one is large intestine part. So liver is the largest digestive gland of our body. Liver part is the largest part. So largest digestive gland. So liver is the largest digestive gland also. So it is reddish brown color. Yes, it is reddish brown color. So divided into 2 main lobes, that is right and left lobe. Right lobe is larger than the left lobe. Right is larger than left lobe. Because on the under surface of the liver, gallbladder is present in that area, so that the liver cells are secreted bile, temporarily stored in the gallbladder. So bile released the small intestine, food enters to the bile salts, that is bile pigments. So bile salts help to the digestion of fat by that emulsification process. Okay, what is the function of the liver means? It controls the blood sugar. This is one of the important question. That is, what is the functions of liver? What are the functions? One is control blood sugar level. Yes, liver control the blood sugar level and then amino acid level also, and synthesis the total red blood cells. Synthesis the total red blood cells. Yes, this is very important. So red blood cells, and then destroy red blood cells also. This process also, and here, yes, destroy the red blood cells and then produces of that prothrombin and for clotting of blood. Yes, this is also main process, clotting of blood. The liver function is control the blood sugar, synthesis of total and red blood cells, destroy of red blood cells, and then clotting of blood. That is also main process. And next one is stores iron, copper, vitamin. Stores iron and then copper and then vitamin. And produce the heparin, that is anticoagulant, excrete the toxic and metallic poisons. So these are all the main functions. Just you call 4 or 5 points: blood sugar level, and then fetal red blood cell synthesis, and then destroy red blood cells, clotting of blood, and storage of copper, vitamin, iron content, and excrete the toxic and metallic poisons. So these are all the main functions of liver. Okay. So what are the topics we go through in this session? First, what are the different kinds of systems in our body? Skeletal, muscular, nervous, circulatory, respiratory, excretory, digestive, and reproductive. So these are all the different kinds of systems in our body. Okay. So main part is digestive system. We learned what is digestion, what is the digestive system process. First initial part is alimentary canal. Different kinds of teeth are in our body. What is dental formula and what are the parts in digestive system is first one is tongue, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, and then small intestine, and then liver part. Okay, next one is pancreas part. Yes, I think I will continue in next session in that. Before that, is there any doubt? Means you please ask me, and then I'm going to have a small activity. So what are the details we learned? Yes, the digestive system contains these part of the organs, is it? What are they? That is large intestine, liver, stomach, small intestine, rectum, mouth, gallbladder, anus, esophagus, and pancreas. Okay. So these are all the main parts. Part digestive system. Yes, sir. First one is large intestine. And then second, what are the details? The end of the large intestines were focus and collected. The end of the large intestines means that is, yes, a rectum part. So you are also please guide them. Anyone interested, you please answer me the right answer for that. Yes, produces the gastric juices in order. Produces the gastric juices. Where the gastric juices is produces, Yes, just I am told. Yes, stomach. Gastric juices are produced. Okay. And then produce the digestive juice and break down the fat, carbohydrate, and then protein. Where the action was done, that producers of digestive juices break down the carbohydrates. Yes, pancreas. Okay, this is the organ that produces the bile juice. Where the bile juice is secreted, where is the bile juice is secreted, where is the bile juice that is stored? First one is organ that produce bile. Yes, the liver part. You answer me, don't write. Just you raise your hand or type the answer, please. And then where the digestion is begin. Yes, which is the beginning part of the digestion? Yes, mouth part. Mouth part is the beginning of the digestion. Yes, the food materials are breaking in this area. Then a tube that connect the mouth to the stomach. Tube is connect to the mouth and stomach means that is, yes, esophagus. The tube that connects the mouth to the stomach, that part is called as esophagus, also known as the colon. Main function is reabsorb the water. Yes, which part is reabsorb the water means? Yes, the large intestine only reabsorb the water. This is where bile is stored. Yes, where is bile juice stored? Yes, here only. Gallbladder store the bile juice. Okay. Next, the end of the digestive tract, and then where the feces leave the body. End of the large intestine, and then means that is end of the digestive tract where feces. The end of the digestive tract means that is anus part. Okay. So, end of the digestive tract where feces leaves the body. 95% of digestion occurs as in three sections. This small intestine. Okay. So, the answers are right. Students, you also please cooperate with me. First one is also known as the colon, that is a large intestine. That is the colon's main function is reabsorb the water. Okay. And next one is liver part. Yes, liver part is the organ that produce the bile juice. Okay. And then stomach part produces the gastric juices. The stomach produces the gastric juices in order the digestion of food. And next one is a small intestine part. A small intestine part means 95% of digestion is occur in this place. And next one is a rectum part. So rectum means the end of the large intestine, and where feces the collect until the ready for pass from your body. Mouth means this is where digestion is begins in this part only. That is mouth part. Gallbladder part means this is where bile is stored in this place. And next one is anus part. End of the digestive tract. End of the digestive tract is anus part, and then esophagus means tube connects to mouth and stomach. Pancreas produces the digestive juices. Okay. Yes, just we recall what are the details we learned in this session. So these are all the main functions of the digestive system. I'm going to submit the answers. We want to check the answers is right or wrong.
Yes. Follow correct answer. Yes, large intestine, liver, stomach, small intestine, rectum, mouth and gallbladder, anus, esophagus and pancreas. Okay, so these are all the details we learned. So what is digestive system? What are the organs are present in digestive system? And then what are they do? Okay, I think it is very useful for you. Okay, students, is there any doubt in this session? You please ask me. Is there any clarifications? Okay, just you go through the digestive part in your textbook. Is there any doubt means you please ask me in next session. I will clarify that. Thank you, students. Jai Vidya Shakti, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you.